Hey guys, welcome back to Joy Racing. And today in our shop, we have a 2022 Dodge Challenger RT, low option, so no sunroof, no nav. It has the Blacktop Package and I believe the Winter Package. So it has the 390 gears in the back with the real mechanical sure grip, and this has the 6-speed manual transmission. So I think from the factory they say these things are supposed to weigh like 4150, 4175 or something, but we're gonna put it on our scales and put it to the test and see what it actually weighs. Okay guys, it's on the scales. Reminder, this is a full tank of gas. So before we show you what it weighs, leave in the comments what you think it weighs, and let's see what it is. 4149, 45% rear bias, which that's not bad, really. All right, guys, with that, just let us know what else you guys want to see us weigh if you're curious on a weight of a late model vehicle or whatever. So I think that'd make great content. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. Like it, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.